Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the ghost touches on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra by following these steps. So let's get started. The very first thing which you want to do is to rule out that it's not your case or screen protector that's impacting. So just remove your case, and if you have a screen protector, if it's old or damaged or broken, it might actually be impacting your screen. So I would recommend remove it. Or if you installed a new screen protector, it could be that screen protector itself. Now, once your phone is without any case or screen protector, you want to make sure you clean the screen. So you lock it, take a microfiber cloth, really clean it very well. Sometimes if you have dirt, lint, oily, anything that could be on the screen, oil from your finger or accidentally get on it, it's going to cause ghost touches. So you want to rule out that by cleaning that front screen. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you are going to go ahead and ensure that there is no moisture or charging issues. So in this case, make sure your charging port did not get wet. Sometimes there is wetness around that or around the phone which can cause the issue. You also want to let it dry out on its own somewhere well ventilated. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is to go ahead and check out this setting on your settings. So open up your settings, then you are going to look for display and then scroll down into the section for accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity. So you want to basically turn this on so that it does not have accidentally touches on the screen. So it's going to make it a little bit more resistance to those ghost touches. And then same with the touch sensitivity. You want to increase the touch sensitivity for your protection so that it does not accidentally touches without you touching it. Especially if the touch becomes sensitive. It's going to have those ghost touches. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is to go ahead and just do a simple restart. You can pull it from the top here and select the power button and restart your phone. Once you restart, it's going to reload the software, making sure it's not a software glitch which is causing the issue. And then once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go back and make sure your phone software is updated. So open up your settings, scroll down towards software update and check for the new updates. If there is a new update, go ahead and update your phone. Sometimes a previous update might be causing the issue with your phone. And proceed to updating your phone to the latest OS variant to rule out any software issue. And then other things you also want to consider is that if you are connected to another external device, maybe through the plugged in external Bluetooth, keyboard, USB, OTG devices, stylus, or any accessories, you want to disconnect them. Sometimes they can cause issues with the phone touch as well. So open up your settings, check connections and Bluetooth. Make sure that nothing is connected. Sometimes those devices can interfere weird with your phone. So you want to turn that off. So guys, by following these steps, you should have fixed the ghost issues on your Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.